Reserve, distinguished resource person, and dear colleagues. I, Vanna Rastogi, welcome you to the Art and Science of Case Development in Management Education. Now, I would
and we can also get your knowledge sharing, and our faculty members can also get insights of case development. And sir,
Thank you so much. Thank you. I started my journey. Teaching.
Of developing a case, once you develop a case and you also develop the teaching notes for a case, you get to know how to position a case in different classes or different programs. Okay?
Not a problem. But you want to claim that it is the original case, but due to that disclaimer we say now, you want to display the name and all. But the letter you need to submit to the publisher. Emerald or I. Yes.
they are the users.
So they are the users of the machine, and absolutely they are not the right people for you. Okay. And here they are owning, but they are not using. Okay. You have already done a segmentation. Right? So marketing concept segmentation done. Okay. So these people use, but they are not to go with a sustainability product or a sustainable product. What do you mean sustainable product? And how this going to the sustainable performance for this particular MSME, she has to go and then discuss with the owner of the company or the executives of the company. So first what you need to do, you need to understand either by secondary data or the interaction, you need to read what they have in the